Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into fighting inflammation with the food you eat. Chronic inflammation can contribute to heart disease and arthritis. The right diet can help manage it effectively. Stick around to learn about the top anti-inflammatory foods. First up, we've got turmeric, a spice used in traditional medicine for centuries. It gives curry its vibrant yellow color. But turmeric is more than just a pretty face in the spice rack. The active compound, curcumin, has powerful anti-inflammatory properties. It blocks enzymes and pathways that lead to inflammation. Look for supplements with curcuminoids and black pepper extract for better absorption. Adding turmeric to your diet is a delicious way to boost your meals. Sprinkle some on your veggies, add to smoothies, or brew a warm cup of turmeric latte. Your body will thank you. Next up, let's talk about ginger, another powerhouse for fighting inflammation. Ginger is a rhizome used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Like turmeric, ginger contains bioactive compounds with anti-inflammatory superpowers. These compounds, like gingerols, interfere with inflammatory chemicals in the body. Ginger is incredibly versatile. Use it fresh, powdered, or as an oil. Add grated ginger to stir-fries, brew ginger tea, or try a ginger shot in your morning routine. Now let's talk about something sweet and delicious. Berries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can contribute to inflammation and a whole host of chronic diseases. Antioxidants neutralize these free radicals, acting like little bodyguards for your cells. And when it comes to antioxidants, berries are like the superheroes of the fruit world. We're talking blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, the whole gang. They're all bursting with antioxidants like anthocyanins, which give them their vibrant colors, and vitamin C, another powerful antioxidant. So, how do you incorporate more berries into your diet? It's easy. Enjoy them fresh, frozen, or add them to your smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or even salads. Moving on from the land to the sea, let's talk about fatty fish. Now, I know some of you might be thinking fish, but I thought we were talking about anti-inflammatory foods? Well, here's the thing. Fatty fish like salmon, tuna, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. These omega-3s are rock stars when it comes to fighting inflammation. They work by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, like prostaglandins and leukotrienes. Omega-3s also help to increase the production of resolvins, which are compounds that actually help to resolve inflammation. Aim to include at least 2 servings of fatty fish in your diet per week. You can grill it, bake it, poach it, or even enjoy it as sashimi. Let's be honest, broccoli sometimes gets a bad rap, especially among the younger crowd. But this cruciferous veggie is a nutritional powerhouse and a true warrior in the fight against inflammation. Broccoli is packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C, and it's a good source of fiber, which is important for gut health. But the real star of the show here is a compound called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane is a potent anti-inflammatory agent that works by inhibiting the activation of a protein called NF-κB, which plays a key role in the inflammatory response. Now, here's a little tip to maximize the sulforaphane content in your broccoli. Try lightly steaming or blanching it instead of boiling it. Who doesn't love avocados? They're creamy, delicious, and incredibly versatile. But did you know that avocados are also packed with anti-inflammatory compounds? Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation. They're also a good source of antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, which further contribute to their anti-inflammatory properties. And here's a bonus. Avocados are a good source of potassium, a mineral that's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. So go ahead, add some avocado to your toast, salads, smoothies, or even enjoy it as a simple guacamole. Let's take a break from food for a moment and talk about beverages. Green tea in particular is a great choice if you're looking to reduce inflammation. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants. One group of polyphenols found in green tea is called catechins, and the most abundant of these is epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG for short. EGCG has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. It works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as prostaglandins and cytokines. Aim to drink 2 to 3 cups of green tea per day to reap its anti-inflammatory benefits. And if you're not a fan of the taste of plain green tea, try adding a squeeze of lemon or a bit of honey. Let's add some spice to the mix. Peppers, both sweet and spicy, are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Bell peppers, for example, are an excellent source of vitamin C, while chili peppers are loaded with capsaicin, the compound that gives them their heat. Capsaicin has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. It works by reducing the levels of substance P, a neurotransmitter involved in transmitting pain signals. So, whether you prefer your peppers mild or fiery, be sure to include a variety of colors in your diet to reap the full spectrum of nutrients. Mushrooms might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of anti-inflammatory foods, but these fungi are packed with nutrients and bioactive compounds that can help to reduce inflammation. Mushrooms are a good source of antioxidants, including ergothioneine and selenium. They also contain polysaccharides, which are complex carbohydrates that have been shown to have immunomodulatory effects, meaning they can help to regulate the immune system and reduce inflammation. Some of the best mushrooms for fighting inflammation include shiitake, maitake, and reishi mushrooms. Grapes, especially the red and purple varieties, are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant found in the skin of grapes. Resveratrol has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. It works by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Grapes are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that's essential for maintaining healthy blood pressure. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a bunch of grapes. Olive oil, especially extra virgin olive oil, is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, which is known for its health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory effects. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, particularly oleic acid, which has been shown to reduce inflammation. It also contains antioxidants like polyphenols, which further contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key polyphenols in olive oil is oleocanthal, which has been shown to have similar anti-inflammatory effects as ibuprofen. Use extra virgin olive oil for drizzling over salads, vegetables, and cooked dishes, or use it in place of butter or margarine. Tomatoes are a versatile fruit, yes, fruit, that can be enjoyed in countless ways. They're also packed with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives tomatoes their vibrant red color. Lycopene has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. It works by reducing the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. Cooking tomatoes, especially with a little bit of healthy fat like olive oil, can actually increase the bioavailability of lycopene, making it easier for your body to absorb. Cherries, especially tart cherries, are rich in anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that give cherries their deep red color. Anthocyanins have been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory effects. They work by inhibiting the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, such as COX-1 and COX-2 enzymes. Cherries are also a good source of melatonin, a hormone that helps to regulate sleep-wake cycles. Enjoy cherries fresh, frozen, or as juice. Yes, you read that right. Dark chocolate, specifically dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao, can actually be good for you, especially when it comes to fighting inflammation. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonols, which are antioxidants that have been shown to reduce inflammation. Flavonols work by improving blood flow and reducing oxidative stress. However, it's important to enjoy dark chocolate in moderation, as it's also high in calories and fat. Last but not least, let's talk about nuts. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants, all of which can help to reduce inflammation. Walnuts in particular are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, while almonds are rich in vitamin E. Enjoy a handful of nuts as a snack, add them to your yogurt or oatmeal, or use them to add crunch to salads. There you have it, folks. The top 15 anti-inflammatory foods that you can easily incorporate into your diet starting today. Remember, making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits can have a big impact on your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and tricks. And be sure to let me know in the comments below what your favorite anti-inflammatory food is and how you like to enjoy it. Until next time, stay healthy and keep fighting inflammation.